We'll take 2 or 3 functions actually. This is your A set, B set, F from A to B, again from G to C. So you have 2 functions actually. F from A to B and G from B to C. And this is actually G circle F. A to C. This is called composition of functions. So here is a fx. Because this is your F, this is your X, and this is your G of fx. Am I clear the picture? So for composition of X, range of F, take a note, is a subset of the domain of G. Is a subset of the domain of G in G circle. Tell me, is that clear, the language? You can check the diagram also.
So can you explain the diagram?
Yes, this is the mapping from A to B. So this is, if this is X, this will be fx, image set will be there. Okay, this part, and G from this B to C.
Oh, G of.
And G circle F from A to C. So this fx, this is the range. So range of F must be a subset of the domain of G. This is the domain of G. This is the codomain of G. This is the domain of G. This is the codomain of G. So range of F must be a subset of the domain of G.
But A to C shouldn't be G of X.
G of fx. This is a composite function. Composite functions. I will give you one example. Suppose A from Z to Z, Fn is n squared, and G from Z to Z, Gn is 2n. Can you find G circle F? What is your G circle F?
Set 2, 8.
Correct. What is your Fn? N squared. Yes, Isan, you are correct. 2n squared.
G is n squared.
Fn is n squared. G of n squared. G is defined as twice something, so it's gonna be 2n squared. Clear? Okay. Ishan, Dipayan, composite function is clear, the first part?
Yes, sir.
Can I rub this part? This diagram and all that? Some properties. If circle G not equal to G circle F, it cannot be, because in the previous example, what will be your if circle G? Just the example.
2x.
4x. That is not equal to 2n squared. So it's not commutative. Okay, Ishan, Deepayan.
Sir, এটা 4n square কি করে হলো একবার একটু বলবে?
4n square. What was your F? F, what is your Fn? What is your Gn?
2n.
So F circle Gn. F of Gn is 2n. Then 2n square, 4n square. Yes, it is 4n square. Clear, Ishan?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
But it is associative.
বুঝেছি।
If from A to B, G from B to C are 1 1, then what will happen? Is it 1 1 or not? It's
It
also
is
1.
also 1.
Yes sir.
Proof is very simple. Just like you did the proofs. Same. Yeah. So it's G of fx1, G of fx2, G is 1 1. So it's gonna be fx1 equal to fx2, correct? F is 1 1. So it's gonna be x1 equal to x2. Am I clear? Ishan clear? Deepayan clear? Well, clear? To be also?
Yes.
Okay. You write the next one, number 4. Write the next one. If both are onto, F from A to B and G from B to C are onto, then G circle F is also onto. I'm not going to put that one.
Is this onto this number?
Yeah, if this is onto, if F from A to B, G from B to C are onto, both are onto, then this composite mapping is
So
also
then,
on.
the composite mapping is on bijective.
Bijective. If this is bijective, composite mapping is also bijective. Sometimes a complicated problems in JEE, even this concept is required to solve, especially on composite functions. Got it. Okay. Let me give you a problem on composite function. Let fx equal to x square, please note down, and gx equal to sin x. X belongs to R. Then the set of all x satisfying where is, you have 4 options. Try. Okay, first try to evaluate this one step by step. What is your fx? Clear? It's just like a chain. First you fx. What is your gx square? So sin x square. Now what is your g of sin x square? Clear? What is the last part? No, g all are gone, only f. So it's squared. Right? Dipayan, Ishan, Shapni,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
where you have a problem? Tell.
So
This part correct?
Yeah.
G of x square,
sin x square.
g of sin x square. Got it? Second part. Calculate this part.
Sine of sin x square will be it, I guess. Yes, sir. Sine of sin x square.
So if you equate these two, what are the solutions? Either sine of sin x square equal to 0 or sine of sin x square equal to 1. Ajay, suppose sin x square is some alpha. Y suppose. Not y. Take it as x1. Suppose. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So what are the possibilities? Because if you take this side two factors, either sin x1 equal to 0 or sin. Now tell me the solution. That is x equal to plus minus root n pi.
Yes, sir.
Option A.
Yes, sir.
Why isn't the option B there?
Hmm?
So why is it in the options?
Option B, 0 is not there.
Okay.
It can be 0 also. The pion clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Swapnil, is it clear? Hey, so this one. So it's 0 one n pi. X1 is n pi. What is your x1? Sin square. Sin x square. Tell root. That is why the root. Clear? Yes. It's a very important. Just the basic thing. You have to know the basic one. Next problem. It is not a composite, but still A from R to A. A we don't know what is A. Given by if x equal to x square over 1 plus x square is on to find A. Your options are real number, R minus 0, 0, 1. Yeah.
Are options C and D are the same?
No. Are the same. It's a closed bracket in D, it's an open bracket at 1. Open bracket means 1 is not included. And closed bracket means 1 is included. So what is your option? Tell me. Ishan, tell me. Dipayon, tell me.
Sir, just a second.
On to. It is given, it is on to.
So I believe it is R.
It is R. Okay.
Sir, I think it will be option C.
Option
C.
C. Okay. Acha, what is the criteria for on to?
So it is like the subset of.
No, not subset. Range equal to codomain. Range equal to codomain. So range must be A. So what is the range of that function? Just find out the range of that function. So what is your function? This is option C. Right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, option C.
Yes. So this must be positive. including 0. So if you test for wavy curve, you will see option C. Am I clear? Please take a note.
স্যার আরেকটা জিনিস যেটা দেখা যাচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে ওয়ান মাইনাস ওয়াইটা ওয়ানটা ইনক্লুডেড হবে না, তো ওয়ান ইনক্লুডেড নেই, একটা অপশনেই আছে সি।
Back calculation, correct. But the main thing is that if you don't have this one, the main thing is that range of it is set codomain. Please note.
A function can never be one.
No. On to. So something is given in the problem that
স্যার
hint
তোমার
is
কথাটা
on.
কেটে গেল, কি বললে?
হ্যাঁ? আমি বললাম যে on to.
কি বললে তোমার কথাটা?
Range equal to the codomain.
হ্যাঁ, তার আগে কি বললে সেটা কেটে গেল। মেইন থিং ইজ দ্যাট কি বললে?
Main thing is that if you have codomain and codomain is not given, the hint will be on to. Hint will be on to. Next question.
The component remove for the option.
Next question. If from R to S, not given. Fx is sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1 is onto. Then find the set S. Then S is option A, minus 1 to 3. Option B, minus 1, 3. C, R, D.
স্যার fx ইকুয়ালস টু কি লিখেছে? fx এর টোটাল ভ্যালুটা কি লিখেছে?
Fx
fx ইকুয়ালস টু কি লিখেছে?
sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1. Sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1. Same thing. Range is equal to
Minus root x squared plus
codomain.
x squared.
Yes. Answer, Swapnil, Dipayan. Range equal to codomain. Have you written that?
Positive option A.
So what is the range of f?
Sir, minus root a square plus b square minus 1, comma, root plus root a square plus b square plus.
Clear? So this is sine x minus pi by 3, right?
Sir, we directly look at the bar.
I don't remember the problem.
Sir, one.
So it will take only one step to equate. Okay, now what is the range of sine?
Minus 1.
2 plus minus 1 2 3. Have you understood? Clear. Dipayon,
Understood, sir.
Ishan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear. So today's class was basically very basic introduction of functions, starting with after that classification of functions. Main focus was the type 1 1 onto bijective, many one into with some graphical knowledge and also composite functions. We'll have more complicated problems. We will do next day. The lecture plan will be mainly some difficult problems. Actually, already given the problems on 1 1 on 2. I will not touch that part. I will go straight to some difficult problems on composite. And also some problems, very difficult problems on domain and range. Okay, and maybe if time permits, I will go to periodicity of the functions. That will be the next lecture. Okay,
So like the next Sunday.
Sunday, your class will be Sunday with me. Okay, bye bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care everyone. Dipayon,
Yes, sir. Bye,
please
sir.
do the revision of all this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, take care. Bye bye. End करो तो